Go ahead, baby. Start opening it. Who's that from?
This is from Titi and Theo.
Titi and Theo who? What's their names? You know their names.
Titi Selma and Theo Pito.
Okay. No, baby, what are you doing? Nico, no. Dominic, no.
Opened it so I can.
Oh my God.
Now I have a.
No, open it from the side, the way you're supposed to.
I spoiled it.
Ayana did it. The other side, baby.
I spoiled it because it says from Santa.
That's alright. Come on, use your brawn. You got it. Come on, baby. What is that?
A purple sweater.
Oh, that's so pretty, Mommy. Let me see. Aww. That's gonna look pretty on you, Mama.
Another box? For what?
Oh, Dominic. And what is that? That's a pretty purple scarf, Mommy.
Another box over this one? Really?
You like it?
Yes.
Wrap around you.
Box.
It's so pretty,
Under
Mommy.
this.
Oh, look at you.
There's another box.
Another box, puppy. Alright, don't open mine yet, because we're going to do this one first, and then Mommy's going to record the other one, okay?
And another box.
Any minute now, baby. Any minute now. Just tear it open.
How does this
What happened? I thought milk does a body good.
How does this open?
Oh, she got you a scarf.
Oh, she got you a nice one. Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's my school.
Oh, puppy, that's really nice. A V-neck sweater. You can wear both of those things for New Year's. Alright? What do you say?
Thank you.
Blow kisses.
Mwah.
Blow kisses, puppy.